Episode 3. Assembling your budget gaming PC, step by step. You've got the best budget PC parts. Now it's time to put them all together. Welcome back to Garcar AI Tech, where we make DIY computer building easy and affordable. In this episode, we'll go step by step through the assembly process, making sure everything fits and works perfectly. We'll start with installing the CPU and RAM, mounting the motherboard, and connecting power cables. Then we'll place the GPU, storage drives, and cooling system. Not sure about cable management? Don't worry. We'll also cover how to keep your build neat, improve airflow, and avoid common mistakes like bent CPU pins or loose power connections. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully assembled PC, ready for the next step, installing software and optimizing performance. Let's build this gaming rig.
We're gonna